channel. Today we will be covering one of the many tutorials in my Crochet Basics series. This series will be covering the fundamentals of crochet, things like basic stitches, how to chain, how to make a magic circle, and many other things. Today we will be covering chaining. Now chaining is one of those things that it's probably one of the first things that you will be learning, or that you even need to learn to crochet. So here we go. So basically what I like to do is get my camera to focus first, okay, is I take the tail of the yarn, which is the loose part that's going to be left over, not the part that's connected to the ball, that's off camera, is put it in my palm like this, so I can kind of hold on to keep it a little snug. I like to wrap the yarn around my finger, like so, and it will make this X. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because this creates a slip knot where the loop of the knot will be remaining on our hook, and then we are able to start chaining. So we've created that X by looping the yarn around our finger behind and coming up front like that. Flip over. Our hook is going to want to go underneath the first loop like this, and then we are going to grab the second piece of yarn right there. So if we can get my camera to focus again. Sorry about the technical difficulties, folks. Pull it through like that. Pull it tight. So we have our tail here, and we have the other part of the yarn connected to the ball down below us. So I'm going to kind of just flick the tail over there and get it out of my way. And now we're going to chain. So what we're going to do is yarn over. Some people choose to yarn over like that. I prefer to yarn over from behind. I feel like it's more secure and my yarn slips out less. So we are going to yarn over, get the yarn up inside the hook of the crochet hook, pull through the loop. We have chained one. Now we're going to do it again. Yarn over, pull through the loop. There's two. Yarn over, pull through the loop. We have made 3 chains. So you can see that. I'm trying to make it less fuzzy. There we go. So we have 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, 4, yarn over, 5, yarn over, 6. And we have created our first chain. Now depending on your pattern, you're going to be yarning over more and pulling through to make chains, or less. Please remember to like and subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified when the next video of this series comes out.